What's up, everybody? On today's episode of Freak Eating versus the World, I'm going to take on a challenge that I've been ducking for quite a while now. The Korean Fire Noodle Challenge. It's made the rounds up here on YouTube, but I have never tried them. I haven't even eaten one. I actually have 6 in my possession. My friend Brandon was awesome enough to send me 5, and I actually found a 6th in one of my local markets, so I'm going to add it in. I think 6 should do it. It's almost 2 pounds of noodles. Brandon is a gamer, and I'm going to link down in the description section his gaming channel, so go ahead and check it out. And also his attempts at taking on the Korean Fire Noodle Challenge. And I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to his son Keenan, who has been doing awesome in school and who has been recovering from medical issues in the past. Just want to encourage you to keep doing what you're doing, stay in school, and continue being awesome. So let's just get down to the challenge. And I give you Korean Fire Noodles, all done, all ready to go. 6 packs, just shy of 2 pounds of food. But the question is, how spicy will it be? With no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, let's just get down to feasting. So I'm going to remove it from the pot, put it in the bowl, so you can kind of see what we're working with here. Oh, pretty gross sound. But the pot is empty, pretty much. Still a little steamy, but I think we can probably eat right about now. Hot and steamy, just the way we like it. And I'm actually not going to be too serious about this. I'm curious what it tastes like. That's actually my primary reason why I want to eat this. I know it's spicy. It's supposed to be spicy. Kind of noodly here. I do have a drink, and I do have Parmesan cheese and hot sauce just in case we need to go that route. So no further fanfare, no BS, no Stalin. I give you 6. So with no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, I give you the 6 packs of Korean Fire Noodle Challenge. Here we go. Nothing yet. I lied. It's a back of your throat kind of heat. It's not ghost pepper hot. It's not scorpion pepper hot, but it's definitely hotter than I would like to eat my pasta or ramen. Remember a while ago, Ted Barris, the fire-breathing idiot, made a video about this where he kind of laughed at people calling this hot. And I can definitely see where he's coming from. But I think for the average consumer of spicy things, this thing is going to be over the hill. Even though it's pretty spicy, it's actually flavorful. Don't taste chicken, but it's good. Feel myself sweating a little bit. Slightly uncomfortable, but definitely not defeated.
Just gotta think cold thoughts. Of course, I realize it was about 2 pounds dry, so it's considerably heavier now that it's soaked up some of the liquid. Excuse me. Oh man. Just gotta think cold thoughts. Well, as it turned out, my microphone's battery died in the middle of the video, which really sucks. But I'm definitely sweating hellish over here. My nose is running. My nasal cavities are not happy. Stomach is a little bit upset, not too bad. The only thing about this challenge is just the quantity. The fact when you have 6 packs of noodles with 6 of the packs of sauce, yeah, it adds a little bit of spice. It's very uncomfortable. Although in the beginning, the hardest part for me was just the temperature heat, dealing with the fact that it was not like, totally blah. It was definitely still hot enough to make me sweat as I was biting into it, and it just got worse when the capsaicin kicked in. Thank you, Brandon, for sending me the fire noodles and daring me to take this challenge. Everyone at home, Brandon's a great friend of mine. We've actually filmed a video here that I have yet to edit, but he's a gamer, And he does gaming videos and the occasional food challenge, so go ahead and check out his channel. It's linked down below. So I will see all of you in the next video, and I hope you find it in your heart to hit that thumbs up button. And I will see all of you later. Stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.